Thousands of people are gathering outside the Chesapeake Energy Center in Oklahoma City this morning with hopes of becoming the next American Idol.
Fox 23's Mia Fleming is live at the auditions, and Mia, I believe, is going to be joined by a very special guest right now.
Yes, this is Ryan Seacrest right here, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
You are feeling good to be in Oklahoma?
Yes, it's great to be here. We just got some of the opening shots done for the season and the series, and now we're moving everybody inside to the air conditioning.
Yeah, you've been doing a lot of Boomer.
Yes, I have. That worked, didn't it?
That was your cue to say.
Oh, that was my cue to say Thunder?
Sooner.
Sooner?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Boomer.
Sooner.
Yeah.
They got it right.
I love all that enthusiasm.
They got it right when I did it.
They did. Oh, I love it. Okay, we're actually doing a press conference live, you guys, so you are in all the action. Well, all right. What are you expecting from this season?
Good question. Somebody great. This is an incredible crowd that's packed the streets this morning, so hopefully we'll see somebody great and take them back with us to Hollywood.
Maybe another Carrie Underwood.
Wouldn't that be nice?
That would be
if you could help us find her,
I got
our
your
work
back.
is done. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll let all the other reporters get their questions in as I kind of hog everything. It's about 9,000 Idol hopefuls out here, you guys, and unbelievable. Didn't expect Ryan Seacrest to be here, so it's just kind of an added bonus this morning. If you thought I was excited earlier, look at me now. Can barely stand it. I love this show. So many people going after their dream. Just amazing, you guys. We're going to have a lot more for you coming up in the next hour.
All right. Thanks so much, Mia. How exciting is that?
Ryan Seacrest hangs out in Oklahoma a lot.
It seems that way, doesn't it?
He's there now. He was at one of the Western Conference Finals games in Oklahoma City. It's kind of an honorary Okie at this point.
He likes it. Yeah. We'll claim him.